The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to Charlie in Drake, Mass. Hey, Charlie, what's going on?
Tom, I saw you on CNBC last week. You're on target as usual, but they should give you more time. God bless. Tom, keep up the good work. I used to listen to you religiously, I think, when you were out of David or Framingham.
Yeah.
Right? And I just found you. I just got a computer. I'm learning the
awesome,
basics.
man.
And I found you. God bless you.
Oh,
and you keep up the good work, Tom.
Appreciate it, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We're here 5 days a week. We're here 9 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Of course, let's make it a great night, folks. Let me take a look at one of our 4 agreements. To master love, you have to practice love. The art of relationship is a whole mastery, and the only way to reach mastery is with practice. To master a relationship is therefore about action. It is not about attaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 170, NASDAQ off 79, S&P's off 27, gold contract up $22, trading at $1,416 an ounce. Silver up 49 cents at $24.50. Platinum down $22 at $1,526 an ounce. Copper flat at $3.32 a pound. Light sweet crude up $2.92 at $108.85. Bonds up $1, a full point and 10 ticks at $133.09. King dollar down 271.6 at 81.17. The euro up 21 at 133.89, and the yen down 1.41, trading out at a price point of 97.11. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, what do we have? Check it out. A to B equals C to D. You pass the B point with volume. You got it all here today, folks. You got an ABC structure on the way down. What do? You get 1709 at the highs up here. That's your A point. Your B point's down there at the 1639. Your C point is hunting out there at the 1669. You blew away the B point today, and you did it with volume. So where's that set up? Well, it sets up, we're going after that June 24th low. Well, the high or the low. The high, and there's quite a price spread out there, too, by the way. The high is 1588. The low is 1560. I suspect we're going to get right down to it. The reason I'm saying we're going to get right down to it is that, first off, you built some cause. You know, we came off the high. Well, first off, we had taken the May 22nd high out with dramatically lighter volume. And the May 22nd high itself had light volume. We take that out. We stay up there for 2 weeks. Very small price spread. We come off that high with volume. You do a counter trend bounce with lighter volume. Blow away that B point today with volume. And folks, it's equity after equity after equity. The S&P itself, you know, and the Dow just really made it, taking it out. When I say just made it, you know, at basically 230, it didn't look like we're going to have the volume. We did 683 million versus 657. That's in that context. But when you go to the ETF structures, they took it out with a vengeance. The diamonds did 11.3 million shares, taking out the 9.5 million. If you take a look at the SPY, what you did with the SPY, we did 144 million, taking out, actually the SPY didn't do it. 144 million, there was 159. The 3Qs, we take a look at the 3Qs, what the 3Qs did. She's right at the swing point. The 3Qs, by the way, are going to jump the creek. This is going to be interesting watching the 3Qs. 3Qs had the juice behind it, did 38 million, taking out 30 million. And there's a creek that's set up at 74.95. And check this out. We got to 74.96 today. It looks to me, and what that is, that's the May 22nd level. We had gone over it. We stayed over it for about, looks like about a month and a half. It's going to jump right back into it. And you remember something. You get a false break topside, you jump back into it, bottom line, you go down to the whole other side of the range. And the other side of the range is not the end of the world and the Qs. You're just talking at this particular point, 69 on the shorter term basis. That's the June 24th. So these are the two levels you're going to be looking at. It's the May 22nd level, which, if you remember first, the Dow came inside it first, then the S&P came inside it. NASDAQ composite, now let's check out the composite out here today, because what you do have, the composite itself, was getting banged around pretty good. The composite was down 2.1%. So the composite was the composite do. Down $80, takes the B point out, takes it out with volume. Now, we're at 35.78. The composite only has to come down about another 40 points to get to the May 22nd level. I suspect you're going to see that tomorrow morning. You remember something. An ABC structure on the way up or the way down, the A to B point and the C to D point, a straight line move. See, straight line move A to B, consolidation B to C, straight line move C to D. That's just kind of how they like running. That's what it comes down to. We go over to the small caps. We take a look at the IWM. What you have with the small cap is this. Small caps, the IWM did 43 million shares today, going into the B point with 25 million. That baby's taking it out. Some of the larger stocks, if we go look at Amazon is a monster ABC down, folks. Check this out. So the A point on Amazon is up there at 313. Your B point is 283. Well, that's not that big, guys. That's what, 17, 27. That's $30. Your C point is 291, so that's running for 260, and you're 281 right now. Did 2.4 million today, taking out that B point out there with 2.4. Check this out. This is a pretty intense. 2.459, and it was taking out 2.4. Yeah, no, that's a 2.4. Where am I? 2.480. I didn't have it, actually. It was just shot by about 30,000 stocks. 30,000 shares. Google, we take a look at Google. Google did 1.7 million shares out here, taking out 1.8. So that's going to need a little more volume, but lower prices right across the board. Gold contract. Let's go take a look at gold. Yeah, the gold out here. Shiga's up $22 today. We did 149,000 contracts. Not enough, folks. The extension in gold, you're coming into the downdraft of this April level. In the April level, we went from 1497 down to 1340. You're going to see gold pull back. The equities today, no doubt. It's just amazing. They got people into the equities. The equities were up a couple points, and they gave it up a couple points. Okay, it's absolutely a classic. It's absolutely a classic. Let's go to Michael in Valrico. Hey, Michael, what's going on?
Hey, Tom, how's it going, baby?
It's going great, man. Thanks for calling. Thanks for holding.
No problem. I want to. Did you say at the beginning of the show that the volume came in on the equities late?
It did. From 2:30 at 2:30, it didn't. I was doing my market insights update, and it didn't look like the volume was going to be there. I actually put in it though. On a day like today, it could come in late, and that's exactly what happened.
Oh, okay, cool. What I was going to ask you about, I'm a little bearish on the market right now. Not super bearish, but I'm a little bearish on it. I think we're going to have a nice little pullback. But I want to ask you about Tesla on a pullback. It seemed like it helped up today. Yeah. I was a little surprised at that.
You're not going to go short Tesla, are you? Do not.
No. No, I was waiting on a pullback. Yeah. I was thinking about getting in it. I like the product.
Oh yeah, you'll get a pullback. Don't worry. Tesla, folks. You do not go short Tesla. Tesla's a 25% short position right now, and you get a couple different things end up happening. They have a product, number one. They're going to sell a lot of it. Number two, you have a 25% short position, which is running the stock in a big way. And you just need patience, man. And you're going to need 2 or 3 months before you basically, get into this. And you'll be able to get it. This thing will get back to $100, man. You're at 167. So just have some patience, man.
All right. Appreciate it, Tom.
Okay, man. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Let's get a Mark in Fort Collins. Hey, Mark, what's going on?
Not too much, Tom. How are you?
Doing great, man. Look at this Tesla, by the way, folks, is parabolic beyond belief. So you might even get less than $100 on that. It might be $81. But do not touch that, baby, and do not go short it. What's happening?
Not too much, Self.
Well, I was just out in Fort Collins. I was just out in your neighborhood last weekend. It was beautiful, man. We hit some great weather.
Yeah.
It was tough getting home, but it was some great weather, man. I had a blast out there. That state's a great state, man, no doubt.
Yeah, we love it out here. So I have a quick question. So I see how the diamonds passed the B point with volume. It didn't have much of a B to C. Is there any requirement on how big that has to be? And then the second question is it also came down into the top of the June 24th bar on lighter volume and rejected it. So I'm wondering, but the actual Dow Jones Industrial Average did not.
Yeah, so let's check it out. This is really cool. So watch this, folks. So it's the diamonds. And, well, to answer your first question is this. When you don't get a retracement, like we didn't here, meaning that's even a more powerful move. Well, in this case, we're going down. But if you were doing one of those on the way up, that would be saying it would be a more powerful move on the top side. So you just stay right there. We'll bisect it and dissect as soon as we come back. It's Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. We ended out, finish down $1.70. NASDAQ off 79. S&P's off 26. You stay right there, folks. We're coming right back.
TFNN has just announced our first ever virtual trading competition, and we're giving away $10,000 in cash prizes, and it's free to enter. Sign up by Thursday, September 5th at noon Eastern, and the trading competition will take place the following week, Monday, September 9th, with first place winning $3,000. Don't delay, as you won't be able to register once the competition begins. Sign up now and reserve your spot in TFNN's $10,000 virtual trading competition. To sign up and for all the details, log on to TFNN.com.
Tom takes your phone calls now. Toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Welcome back, folks. We had the Dow finish down 170, NASDAQ off 79, S&P's off 26. And, folks, you just heard that promotion about our virtual trading contest. Okay, so this is how it works. It's really simple. You come over to our website at TFNN and you sign up on the front page. You have from now until a week from this Thursday to sign up. Then that's over. We're going to give away $10,000 in cash each and every day. That 5 days that we're trading, there's going to be a winner of $100 plus a book. The first place prize is $3,000. The second place prize is $1,500. Third is $750. We're going to give two more at $500 and $500, fourth and fifth, and then the sixth, going all the way up to 10th, gets $250 apiece. Okay, so you want to make some, or try to make some good money, have a blast at the same time, absolutely free. Come over to TFNN. You'll see it right on the front page. And you have from today until a week from this Thursday, because we have to close it off because we're starting that following Monday. And it's on the Nadex platform. What will end up happening is that you'll hit it. We have a funny money account. Bottom line is that in that platform, folks, trades 23 hours a day. So you want a shot to make some decent money with zero risk. Bottom line, it's free.